Hey folks, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparking Market Mark here, and I'm back to do a review of an unboxing. A review and unboxing of a certain item, and if this is from 1986, and if you see the title, you already know what it is. And voila! A Timex 50 lap IronMan Triathlon IndiGlo. Let's take it out. Very slowly. And if you heard me talk about this before, this particular watch, of course, was very, very huge in the 90s. Being that it's nearly 30-something years old now, approximately we're 31, or make it 32, maybe, who knows. Nice band. IronMan Triathlon in signature, red signature, 50 lap memory, red button, basic black buttons, and definitely mineral glass. 100 meters, IndiGlo recall set, mode, and water resist. I can't even tell the date codes, so this is going to be in around March of 1996 was the release date of this watch. Let's take a look at the basic functions. Press the mode button. Okay. Press okay, hold on. Do this way, press that button again. Hold it. You reset. And you reset. You got your alarms. You see those indicators? Yes, it is. Okay, how many? Oh, okay. Same thing. Okay, my personal favorite, the timer for 99 hours and 59 minutes and 59 seconds. How many days do I have for the 99 hours? Okay, back to there, back to your home time, and here's the IndiGlo. Very cool. Very cool indeed. Amazing, amazing. Very, very design. And like my previous video that I did in 2016 for the other Timex IronMan Triathlon is that some dude mentioned, you know who you are, dude, mentioned that Timex need a release days. They have to. They gotta release these because these are very, very cool. Very unique. Designs that we do see or don't see so often. Start, stop, lap, slash reset. Alright folks, enough chit chat. Let's play the music from 1996. Alrighty, folks. So, with the song we're going to be playing is Xperience. Experience. That's what I think it is with the letter X. X minus experience with the hit song A Never Ending Dream. Enjoy, folks. That was Experience with Never Ending Dream. And let me know in the comments down below for any of you watch aficionados, you think they should release this watch as a reissue, making sure the DNA and the formula is still there. And also, what do you remember about 1996? Let me know as well. And what was your first watch? What did you did that year? Whatever. Heck, I was in elementary school day. No, I was entering first grade, I think. Man, first grade? Nah, I was only 5, so I was still in kindergarten at the time. So yeah, let me know in the comments, and maybe young BUCKS says, ask your folks, what did you remember doing that year? Heck. So yeah, also in the YouTube community, I often post what time I post videos. Always check daily or so to notify which day specifically I'm going to be posting the video. And also keep an eye on it. And plus, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Always appreciate the thumbs ups and comments down below. Also, what time I post videos depends. I don't do it in the morning hours. I'm only doing it during the afternoon hours or the evening hours, but not late. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all, and later.